Hey, what's cracking, y'all? It's your girl Jale Love, and welcome back to my channel.
You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I'm telling everybody, 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 everybody.
If you guys are new here, what's up? Of course, just said I'm Jale Love, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button to see more of my future videos of doing hair tutorials and giving some advice. So today, you already see, I'm installing this cute 10-inch wig by Nadula hair. This is really cute. Like, it's giving very sophisticated look. So yeah, so let's get into the video. So I will be reviewing Nadula hair. I'm actually really excited. So let's get into it. So this here is a 5x5, 10 inches bob lace wig. That's the hair. So curly, but it's really soft though. And that's what I like about it. Because I haven't had a Nadula hair that was not soft and had an odor to it. It didn't smell like anything. It smelled like hair. And this is what the 5x5 lace looks like. And it clips a band and comb. I really love the band because, you know, if it holds your hair, and even if someone won't be moving or anything, kind of like how it feels snug on my head. And so, and just the bands. Let's get into it.
I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy. When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why.
That burn. Oh my goodness. Burn my finger.
I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. Myself in the zone, get nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars outside. What's the reason? Wait, yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Not to stand on my knees, go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. All that's on my mind, yeah. You come around like it's shit, and I see you, and I see you. Baby, we're mine, yeah. Never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right.
So this wig came out really cute. Like this cute little bob. 10 inches. Like really, I've never really done 10 inches, so this was actually a surprising thing. Like, it's not bad. Probably may layer at least the front a little bit, but other than that, I like it because I was like the one eye, you know, the Leah thing. So I may just, you know, cut this a little bit. But I like them. It's really cute, really sophisticated. Y'all did y'all thing like always. Like, oh my goodness. Like this is really cute. I really do like this hair. I wouldn't mind, you know, rocking this from time to time, you know, just a simple day. It's giving a whole new, different, sophisticated jolly. Like, what's up? Yeah. I know why like business girls be having this hairstyle. It's giving business. Like, I mean business. Like, what you want? But of course, gotta do the annual shake. Like, what's that? But beside that, but this hair is really amazing. Like, no shedding, nothing. Like, it's this easy side part. I may try to do it down the middle and see how that would look. It's like, but the middle, I always like the side parts. Side parts always just give me something. Mainly only because I used to always do side parts because I still am a huge Aaliyah fan, but always my go-to side part. And then just like how eventually she went to the middle part, I did too, but that was an accident. I didn't realize I did that until I seen how the middle part looked. I'm like, oh, I like the middle part. I digress. This wig is on point, and I may be rocking this now for a few days, cause like, this is just really cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video, and go check out Nadula's hair. I'll put all the information of where I got this wig down below in the description box to let you know. And I hope you guys hope to see you soon for more videos and hair tutorials. Bye, you guys. So I kind of cut it at least a little bit right here just to give it a little swoop, but it looks a little bit better.